What's an undeniable fact that you refuse to accept? That I actually have to talk to girls to get girls. I have a dad bod without being a dad. My relationship is ending. That spiders are more afraid of me than I am of them. That I don't have much more time with my senior dog. He's been my best bud for over 10 years and I love him dearly. That the 90s were 30 years ago. That I lost my early 20s and teens to insecurities and hoping times will get better. Now I regret not making more of those years. That I will die one day. It's nice to pretend we are immortal but we are not and our time here is precious. I still can't believe it's not butter. That I'm closer to 90 than birth. Humans are social animals. Guess I'll always be a little miserable because that's not me and it's never going to be. That being a jerk can get you ahead in life.